Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to lock Telegram on your PC for added privacy and peace of mind. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a passcode so that only you and no one else snooping around your computer can access your Telegram messages. This is an awesome way to keep your chats safe, especially if you share your computer with family or use it at work or in a public space. Let's dive right in. First off, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. It sounds simple, but make sure you're actually launching the desktop app, not just the web version in your browser, because the passcode feature lives in the desktop app. If you're not sure, look for the Telegram icon in your Start menu or Applications folder and double-click it. Once Telegram is open, look to the very top left corner of the window. You'll see three little horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. That's the classic menu button. Click on that. This will open up a sidebar menu with all your important settings and tools. Sometimes people miss this step because the icon can be a bit tucked away, but it's your gateway to customizing Telegram just the way you want. Next, from the menu that pops out, click on Settings. This is where all the magic happens for adjusting how Telegram behaves and looks on your device, so it's worth getting comfortable navigating here. Inside Settings, you're going to look for an option called Privacy and Security. Click that, and you'll find all sorts of options for making Telegram more private, but today we're focusing on adding a lock. Here's the important part. Scroll down to find a section called Security. Depending on which version you have, you might see Local Passcode, or it might say Turn Passcode On. Essentially, they're the same thing. You're about to create a secret passcode that you'll need to enter anytime you want to access your Telegram chats. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter a passcode. This can be a simple 4-digit PIN, or if you want extra security, you can create a longer password. My advice: pick something you'll remember but isn't too obvious. Then it'll ask you to confirm your passcode just to make sure there aren't any typos. After you confirm it, click Save Passcode. From this point on, anytime Telegram is locked, you'll need your newly created passcode to unlock it. Take a moment here, don't rush. As with any password, writing it down in a safe place or adding it to a trusted password manager can be really helpful, especially if you tend to forget things like this. If you want to take things a step further, Telegram gives you a handy feature called Autolock right in the same settings screen. Think of this a bit like how your phone locks itself after a few minutes of inactivity. Under the local passcode options, find Autolock and choose a time interval that works for you, like 1 minute, 5 minutes, or even longer. This means that if you step away from your computer and forget to lock Telegram manually, the app will step in and lock itself after the time you set. It's a fantastic way to make sure your chats stay private, even if you get distracted or someone else hops on your computer. And that's all there is to it. You've now set up a passcode lock, and you can rest a little easier knowing your conversations on Telegram are protected. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or run into any issues along the way, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.